Hey, welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today, we're going to take a look at control your laundry from anywhere with this Fisher & Paykel dryer. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. This new DE702 and DVE54 series Fisher & Paykel dryers have some pretty innovative technology. Each year we find more and more appliances entering the world of the Internet of Things, or IoT. It started with smart refrigerators and ovens, and now is in your laundry room. With the Fisher & Paykel dryer, you can control your laundry cycle from your smartphone, whether you're at home, in the office, or around the road. Convenience is the name of the game. Just open up the app, and you can check the status of your laundry without having to make an extra trip to the basement. It is equipped with a large 7 cubic foot drum, 12 drying cycles, steam cycles, auto sensing, reverse tumble, and drying rack capabilities. The steam cycle will de-wrinkle and refresh any garments. Perfect for when you want to remove unpleasant wrinkles or just simply freshen them up without having to fully re-wash them again. With the energy saver cycle, clothes are dried more efficiently by pulsating the heat on and off for longer periods of time. This effect is a longer cycle that drives the clothes in cooler temperatures to save energy. The reverse tumbling feature tumbles clothes clockwise, then counterclockwise to prevent items from tangling in roping. This feature ensures even drying, prevents hot and damp spots, and results in less wrinklings of the clothes. There are 12 pre-programmed cycles. Of course, you have the standard cycles such as regular, heavy load, delicate, and energy saver, but then there are some fairly specific and interesting cycles such as easy iron, allergy, bulky, air dry, and rack dry. In addition to these drying options is something Fisher & Paykel called AeroSteam. Now, of course, with new technology, you'll always come to a point where you'll need to repair it. ApplianceVideo.com has you covered, and they created a complete series of videos to help you fix this Fisher & Paykel dryer yourself. With a library of over 6,000 repair videos, ApplianceVideo.com should have what you need to assist with your next repair. Hey, if this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.